Before you create the account for Skype, you will need to install the app from Google Play. Check the description if you wish to see the video on how to do that. After you have installed the app, to create an account you will need to do the following. Now tap on Let's Go. Tap on Sign In or Create. Here, let's tap Create One. If you already have an account on Microsoft, you can use that to sign in. Here, you can use your phone number or email. Let's use for this demo an email, so I will tap Use your email instead. Write the email. Now tap Next. Create a new password. Now tap Next. Write your first name and last name. Tap Next. Get the code from your email app to verify the email. Let's go to the Gmail app to get this code. Here it is. Let's go back to the Skype app to write it. Tap Next. Write the CAPTCHA code. Tap Next. Now select the date of birth. Now select the country. Tap Next. Confirm your age by tapping Next. Here you can find contacts easily. You can tap Allow or Deny, how you wish. Tap on Continue. I will tap Allow here. Here again, tap on Continue and press Allow to all dialogues from this step. Now your Skype is connected on your Android phone with a new account. Let's see a short presentation of the app. On this new app you will have on the top left a notification button, so tap on that when you have new notifications. On the right top you have some sort options for the list that you will have with the chats. Also you have on the bottom the following buttons: Chat, Call, Contacts, and New Chat button. You can check the settings and set up a status or a picture if you press on the top part, where is your profile. Let's tap it. Here you can set up your current state. You can be active, busy, away, or invisible. If you are invisible, the person will not see that you are connected to Skype. After that is the status zone. Let's change our status. Also here you have option for Skype profile. Here you can change your name, picture, share your profile and set up some option for privacy. Option Other ways people can find you gives you control not to appear on the search when somebody searches your name. Here is this option. Also you can add a mobile number here if you want. Now on settings you have also a lot of options. Account and profile are almost the same option as Skype profile that we already looked on. On general you have the option to change the language of the app. On appearance, you can choose the theme for your Skype and also the main color. You can play with it and set up it how you like. On calling settings you have some interesting stuff, like caller ID. You can make so when a person receives a phone call from Skype to look like it's coming from your phone number. Also, you can allow only calls from contacts to ring on this device. This way, you will not be bothered by anyone that you do not know. Also, you can activate the option Call Subtitles. This will be very good for people who do not hear well. On messaging, you have options specific to messages. Nothing special, but this is useful. On notifications, you can set up what exact push notification to receive. Skype is generous and lets you exactly choose what you wish to receive. That is very nice. Also here, if you tap on the chat notification, you will be able to disable notification for some time or permanent. Now the last option is contacts. Here you can sync your phone contacts with Skype if you have not already done this. So now you have Skype installed on your phone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.